comfortably cool day in South Jersey. High temperatures were in the low 70s. That's 5 degrees below average for this time of year, and we'll be below our average low temperature as well. Nowhere near our records, though. And take a look at our sunset, 7:03 p.m. And on Friday, that will be our last post 7 p.m. sunset for the year here in South Jersey. So fall is coming. Let's take a look at our evening temperatures. We'll be sliding through the 60s here. We still have plenty of smoke around. Otherwise, it's a mostly cloudy sky, and that'll be the same for tonight. So the clouds will actually keep some of the heat from the day in. So therefore, it's not as chilly as it was yesterday or even this morning where we were in the 40s for Hamilton and Vineland, but we'll still be just about 5 degrees below average for many places in the area. Now, as we go into Thursday, we're going to continue to see all this smoke here. You see those oranges and reds. That's where our smoke is highest. It's all coming from the Pacific Northwest, diving down into the Central Plains and making its way our way. But I do believe Thursday will be the last day of this smoke, at least for a little bit. High temperatures will be in the mid-70s for our Thursday, so a little bit warmer than where we were today, and that's because of this south to southwesterly wind. If you do want to head towards the shore, we'll see temperatures that are quite warm in the water, and that rip current risk is a moderate, so not as extreme as it was today or yesterday, even Monday, where we had a high risk for rip currents. Just keep your eye out, though, if you are going to be in the water. Now, look what happens. This is 8 p.m. on Thursday. This is the remnants of Sally. We also have this big high pressure system coming in. What's going to happen is this high pressure system is going to keep that low pressure system from getting too close to us, but still, that's about 150 miles offshore, so we'll see some rain, but then by the time we get towards our Friday evening, those blues, which is the low pressure, gets out of here, and we'll start to see more of that high pressure coming on in. So here's what our radar will look like for tomorrow. A shower will be possible after 8 p.m., but it's really not until midnight to 2 a.m. that steadier showers come in, and even a period of rain during the early and mid-morning hours on Friday, and then this will get out of here by 11 a.m. at the absolute latest. In terms of rainfall totals, we're looking for generally between a quarter of an inch to a tenth of an inch, depending on where you are. We have 2/10 in Vineland, 1/10 in Fortescue, 1/10 in Sea Isle City. Now, as we go into our Friday evening, we're going to see coastal flooding throughout the area. This is minor flood stage for the Friday evening high tides. A few roads will flood, but there'll be no damage. This is the flooding we see many times a year here in South Jersey, and we're going to do it all again on Saturday morning here. So a couple of cycles of high tide flooding. This is because we'll have a northeasterly wind from that high pressure system that comes in, and that will bring some cool air to us. Temperatures will be 10 degrees below average for both Saturday and Sunday. This is Sunday, 10 degrees below average in Vineland, 10 for Fortescue, 9 for Galloway. And let's take a look at those numbers in our Mainland 7-day forecast. Sweater weather, pumpkin spice weather, what else can we say? Flannel weather here in South Jersey. We have windy conditions on Saturday. Good amount of sunshine as we go into next week, though. Temperatures will eventually rebound, but we will be in the 60s for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday at the shore. We'll be back with you at 6:30 tomorrow morning. In the meanwhile, for the latest in South Jersey weather, you can follow me on social media, or you can always come back to our website here at thepressafac.com/weather.